Racing just is started. We have Golden Square break weekly at the start. Moving up on the outside now is Donya Leonora. Tiger Epic. Teresa's Magic comes next. Safi. Jupiter Thunder. 5 o'clock. Down on the inside is Malihim. One Lancer. While Daytona is the early trailer and going along for the first turn. We have Donya Leonora by about 2 lengths. Tiger Epic is right behind in second. Teresa's Magic is racing in third. Then comes Golden Square. Jupiter Thunder Sapi. Then next online now is 5 o'clock. Malihim Bobon Lancer, while Daytona is still racing in last. Back to the leader. We have Donya Leonora by about 2 lengths. Tiger Epic still in second. And on the outside third is Teresa's Magic. Moving up on the outside is Jupiter Thunder. Golden Square comes next. Then down on the inside now is 5 o'clock. Moving up Sapi. Malihim Bobon Lancer second last, while Daytona is still racing in last. And as they swing for home, we have Donya Leonora by about 6 lengths. Moving up now to take second is Golden Square with about 100 meters of the race. We have Donya Leonora followed now by 5 o'clock. And finally it's Donya Leonora. 5 o'clock. Then comes Golden Square, Malihim, Jupiter Thunder.